gonna go.
Go ahead.
Zoom in. Zoom in on the damage.
Nothing.
There's a
No
little bit.
breaking.
Try again.
I'm gonna do a side hit.
Yep.
Denting, no cracks. No cracking. It just dented the PL. It just dented the ABS.
Sweet.
So
I mean, if you guys look at the infill, like it's.
We'll say impact test.
That's 80% infill.
No
Yeah.
cracking.
All right, I'm gonna hit it harder. Hit it again on the same spot. I'm gonna hit it harder this time. Ready?
Yep.
Oh my god.